You don't need another program. You just need a system that rebuilds that self-trust. That's where Fit in Mind isn't just about fitness and mindset, but it's that bridge back to the person that you said you become. You tried to change before. You tried the new workouts, the new diet plan. You've got the quotes written on your desk, but nothing seems to stick. And the reason is because you're not rebuilding from the inside first. You want to be consistent, but you don't trust yourself to be. Because every time you start and stop, your brain logs it as failure. You're not lazy, you're fragmented. Your self-doubt, self-discipline, and self-worth are disconnected. Fit in Mind connects them again through action. You haven't got a motivation problem. You've got a self-trust problem. That's where Fit in Mind, it's not just about the hype. It's about habits. It's about systems and building your identity. And you rebuild that through action. Fit in Mind is built on 3 layers. 1, move the body. 2, train the mind. 3, build the self. No fluff, no hacks, just structure, reps, and proof. Fit in Mind doesn't sell hype. It builds self-respect through action. You'll show up for 15 minutes a day and your brain will start seeing you differently. Not because of the results, but because of the reps. And that's when everything shifts. Fit in Mind isn't just fitness though. It's movement to build belief. It's then mindset to shift your identity. And then it's daily action to build that self-trust. This is for the person who knows they're meant for more, but keeps getting in their own way. The one who starts strong and fades. The one who talks a big game, but doubts themselves in silence. You're not broken. You just haven't built the system that holds you when motivation fades. That's what Fit in Mind is. Fit in Mind isn't the solution though. You are. But this will help you unlock that version of you that you've been holding in your head for so long. No more hype, just proof, reps, and belief.